everybody. I'm doing unboxing. I just got this from Amazon. It just got delivered to my house. And I ordered this last night around like 10 o'clock or something like that. It was late. And it still came the next day. And it was less than $25 on Amazon. The link to the headphone will be below. Alright. And here it go right here. Okay, I'm back, y'all. Okay, here it go right here. Here's the box and everything. Now I'm about to open it up. Okay. Okay. Come with the AUS thing. I think that's what you called it. Come with this. You also come with the USB thing as well, so you can charge it up. And this color it come in as well. But if you get a black one, you get the next day. The other colors, you gotta wait. So that's why I got the black one. So I had it by week. Alright, this how it come. It real soft and everything. So that's how it looks, y'all. Let's see. Okay, it fit real comfortable. You can't hear nothing. Like if the TV loud and everything, you can't even hear it. Cause everything sound pretty low. Everything sound pretty low. And it's how it looks. And it feels very comfortable and everything. You can't hear nothing. So it works. It do. They say it don't do. And this is the best headphones that you should get. You want something less than $25. And links to this headset that I got is in listed below. So I'm gonna show y'all. Subscribe, comment, and share this video, okay? Thank you for watching the video. You have a good night. Or whatever time you're watching this video, okay? Thank you.